Everybody, back with another little Halloween craft. I'm trying to get a little bit ahead because a couple of my things I'm going to be doing is going to take up time, and I want to be able to have time to do it. So here's the witch feet that I got, the cloth. They're from Dollar Tree. I believe I got them there. And I'm going to cut this off. I got 2 dowels from, well, I guess I got them at Walmart. You can get them at a hardware store, whatever. They might have to be cut down, but I'm going to try not to because I'm going to put them inside a thing. So I may not have to do anything with them. So let's cut this off. Save that for something else. And I am going to stuff this. This is elasticable, so you can kind of put it on like socks, you know. And I got some old stuffing here, and I'm just gonna cut it apart and just start filling it in just a little bit. I mean, it doesn't get very big, but I thought this would be a cute little project. And so far it only cost me, I think these were like $1. So 2, 3, about $3, and only because I had the stuffing. So if I didn't have stuffing, I would have had to buy some of that. And I just took an old pillow apart and just reusing the stuffing for it. Since this is going to be outside, it doesn't matter if it gets, it's going to be on the porch. So it's not going to matter. Seeing it's all the legs stuffed. So now I can try to put this in. Put that in. And then stuff it a little bit more. Here's one, and the feet don't really stand upright, but if I lean it up against, I could put a popsicle stick, hook that to it. Let's see, I know I have some here. After I dump everything all over the place. That's a problem with having your desk. See, if I hot glue it on, the feet will stand upright. So I'll get a couple of those and hot glue it on there. So we will do the same thing to this one, but I think I'm going to put the pole in it first. And then just take some of this off. And just put that down in, which is going to be, well, maybe I will do it the way I did it because it's harder to get it down where it needs to be. Okay. I need to go out in the camper and get my fan to put it down here. It's not really hot today. It rained, but it is muggy, and I haven't been back east for 20 years, and when Utah gets muggy, it feels like back east. And it's only like 25% humidity, but it feels like 100. It is just nasty. Do not like it. I got accustomed to the dry air here. Okay. Let's put some more in here. So they will go outside like this. I'll stick them in the ground. But maybe I will paint the sticks purple. I don't know if I have purple. Or black. Yeah, I have black. Maybe I'll paint the sticks black so it'll blend in. So I need another popsicle stick. And I didn't use all my extra stuffing, so I can put that back after I'm dumping everything everywhere. Let me plug in my glue gun. It'll take a few minutes to heat up. We'll heat that up. I bought a bunch of these. I don't know what I did with them. I don't know where they are. They could be over in the Halloween stuff, but I don't know. They're not with everything else. So, I will save this ring. Get rid of that. We'll save this ring because we can use it as one of those key holders. So we can use it for that. And let me put my scraps away. Okay. There. All right. So I'll be back in a few minutes when I get that. We are back. So I painted the stick black. So it looks good, it blends in. I put the ice popsicle stick behind it so it'll stand upright. And there we go. There's her feet. So we can put those outside by the door. So cute. And I can decorate around it because I have like flower pots out by the door. I have 2 of them. So the one of them I can get some more I have some fall leaves and stuff right there I can put in there, or whatever. I can get some more of that that cotton webbing stuff and put it in there, but it'll be cute for now. It's way cute. So there's those ones. Those are cute little project. So you can either cut them down and put them like on your table, get another pot or something to put them in like that, or you know, whatever, but I wanted to put them outside. So cute. So there they are. I hope you enjoyed this little project. If you'd like to do it yourself, it's really easy. Glue gun, a couple of sticks, even get like branch sticks outside, and an old pillow or whatever for the stuffing, and some popsicle sticks to keep the feet up. So there we go. that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this little project with me. One of our first Halloween things. I'm not doing too many, so I just thought this one would be fun. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.